Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying where dark mode is active and why you want to change it. Open the exact settings page for your device or app. This is crucial because OS-level themes override many apps. Once there, navigate to display or appearance so you can switch contexts. Make sure you've noted any custom schedules, auto night settings, or battery saver ties. These affect behavior. Now that you're on the right screen, you're ready to flip the primary control that governs dark versus light themes. You now change the actual theme control. Flip dark to light, pick a custom theme, or deactivate auto so it won't revert. If there's a schedule or adaptive setting like night shift, disable it because those re-enable dark mode at sunset. For apps that ignore system themes, like some browsers or messaging apps, open their appearance settings and switch them individually. Also check accessibility contrast settings and color filters. They occasionally interact with theme rendering. Once done, confirm interface. You finish by validating the change across apps and web pages, then restart the app or the device if elements still show dark colors. If a specific program persists, clear its cache or reset appearance settings. As a last resort, reinstall. Make sure browser extensions, user profiles, or third-party theme managers aren't forcing dark styles. Disable them to test. If problems continue, revert any recent system tweaks you recorded at the start. Then retry. This troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn dark mode issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.